Hi everyone, today I am making the most easiest chocolate bouquet under Rs 150. For this I have taken a glitter foam sheet, then using a compass I have drawn and cut out a circle of 9 cm radius. Cut the circle into half and fold as shown to make a cone. Then using a double-sided tape, stick it in the corner. Now take 6 dairy milk chocolates, assemble and stick them together using a transparent sellotape. This is the most easiest chocolate bouquet that you can make when you are short of time or when you are short of supplies. You don't need bamboo sticks or other decorative items here. Now stick the chocolates inside the cone using the double-sided tape. Then I have taken a decorative bow ribbon. Pull as shown to make a bow and tie it at the back. Cut off the extra bits and stick it to the cone. And that's it, our chocolate bouquet is ready. You can give this to your friends and family on special occasions. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.